Hello and welcome to Martech Room. Today's video is about the admin section. Let's discuss the various aspects and considerations we need to make when auditing the admin section. An organization sets up Marketo's admin section once they purchase it. Additionally, it has several other sections, as shown in the slide, such as user and roles, database management, launch point, etc. We will discuss each section one by one. Number 1. Users and roles. Here we can see all the users created with their last login date and their roles in Marketo. The admin role is the most powerful role to see and edit everything in Marketo. So the audit perspective, we should have users for this role at a minimum. Delete the user that does not need access or required access in the past but not now. Check with the existing user that has the last login date as last year or quite a long time and deletes them if they don't need the access. We should always have a process to delete the user for those who left the company to secure the instance from any uncertainty. Number 2. Domain verification. Under email you can see the primary domain which should be added and verified. Here you can also change the placement of the unsubscribe link. And it is always recommended to check whether the placing of the unsubscribe link is good, or we should recommend if there is something not correct. In SPF/DKIM it is the section that helps in email deliverability. So this should be verified and up to the mark. Bot activity. This is a new feature that we can enable to lock the bot activity or filter the bot activity. So this is something that we can always try to enable and always check the total bot activities identified till now. So this is something that we can always check if we have ever encountered a bot activity to take the corrective measures. Number 3. Munchkin code is something that tracks the activities on the website and passes those activities and log in Marketo yes activities like visited page, link, click. So in audit we always check if the merging code is enabled and added to the website to track the activities. To test this, just go to Marketo and copy the code and search on the website source if that is placed on not. The second thing that we can always check is just to fill out the form and visit a few pages and check back in Marketo, or if those activities are locked and the let is created, then if all and then all is good in that. And number 4. Communication limit is configured to ensure the maximum number of times a person may be connected, for example per day 1 time, for 7 days 3 times. This is something very important because we always want to communicate effectively with the leads and contacts. We never want to bombard them with so much information from your company that will lead to losing the interest. So it is always recommended to have communication limit mentioned in the section. Number 5. Smart campaign. If you have a good amount of database and want to always play on the safe side, just put some limit in your smart campaign settings to ensure that no incident happens to any email campaign. This is just to ensure the campaign go to the targeted audience always. Number 6. Sales insights. This is a medium to indicate to your sales team if the lead is cold, warm, or hot by starts and flames. The base of these two mechanisms is person score, behavior score, and demographic score. In audit, always recommend enabling this feature to get your MA and CRM tools talking. Number 8. Launch point services. All services added under the launch point should be added, active, and running. Point out if any of the services is throwing some errors and recommend reintegrating them. Number 6. Tags and channels. Utilizing tags and channels will assist you in filtering data for reporting purposes. Tags are used to describe programs. You can make as many as you need, each with unique values. The tag uses to describe the program, example, program owner, targeted region, market segment, etc. In a program, channels such as webinars, sponsorships, or online ads describe the delivery mechanism. While auditing, we should always check the usage and recommend as per the best of the business case. Number 7. A channel with a success mark always gives you the exact number of successes in the program. Make sure all the channels that are created have at least one success point. Number 8. CRM sync. It is optional though. If it is integrated, make sure it is working flawlessly and the status is active and running. Check all the sync errors and create a metric to present the type of errors encountered so far, and share the recommendations along. Number 9. A custom object is a paid feature. Not all accounts have it. check and share the update regarding the usage of a custom object and its abilities. Similarly, the custom activities. 10 custom activities. These activities are also like custom objects but less used. Custom activities help you track an activity that isn't related to a Marketo form, email, or landing page. Want to track when someone deposits a check? Use the custom activity. Want to keep tabs on when someone attends a webinar? Use the custom activity. Recommend if they have any similar business needs, they may want to utilize it. Global validation rules. This is a new add-on that allows us to exclude certain domains from our database. For example, gmail.com, yahoo.com, etc., or any domain you wish to restrict at the form creation level. Take advantage of this feature. If they are not using it, it is always a good idea to recommend that they learn about it. 12. Field management. Audit all the fields and check the ones that are unused. To make the process as efficient as possible, we recommend marking P in all fields that deal with personal information. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe and share with your Marketo Bees.